In this video, we will discuss one more problem on backtracking, that is subset sum problem. Set S is given of some elements S1, S2, so on up to Sn. Then we need, and also an integer D is given. We need to find the subset of this set S such that sum of that subset will give us this value, that is D. So for example, say 1, S is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Assume this, and D is 9. So to get the value 9, we can form a subset like 1, 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and say 7, 2. Like this, there will be many solutions for this. But we can also apply a methodology to form a solution for this by constructing the state space tree using backtracking method. Say in state space tree, what we do is we will place the sum in the node. For all the left edges, we will include the next item in the set. In the right edges, they will be excluding the item. Say, consider the example, this particular example, where the set is 3, 5, 6, and 7. And the sum we need to find is 15. So initially, sum is 0, the root level. Let us go with 3. With 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then with next item, that is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then with 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. Then with 7, if we go for 7, 14 plus 7 is greater than 15. It is not possible to get the solution from this node. So this node has become non-promising node. We need to go back and think of without 6. So without 6, the sum is 8. With 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Yes, we have got the answer. This is one solution for it. Because the D sum given is 15, we have got it. So without 7, still there may be other solutions. We will try it. Without 7, it will be 8. 8 is much less than 15. So not possible. We can backtrack to this node now. So without 5, this is 3. So if we leave the 5, the next number is 6. With 6, it is 6 plus 3 is 9. Then with 7, 9 plus 7 will be greater than 15. So this is not a promising node. Again, we can go back. We can think of without 6. Without 6, it is 3. Then with 7. With 7 means 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is much less than 15. So again, this is a non-promising node. We can come back, and now we will think of without 3. So without 3, it is 0 first. Then with 5 is 5. Then with 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7 is greater than 15. So again, this is a non-promising node. We can come here, that is without 6. Without 6 it is 5. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is, which 7? Is 12. 12 is much less than 15. So again it is a non-promising, and we cannot go here. Again it will be non-promising. Then without 5. Without 5 it is 0. 0 with 6. 6 plus 7, again 12. So not possible. Without 6, it is not possible. So these will lead us to non-promising nodes only. So this is what the solution. Of course, I am going to solve other many important problems on this in the video question paper solved video. But for this instance of the subset of problem, this is the solution. This is how we can develop the tree with and without. Go on including the tree, including the items till we reach a non-promising node in the depth first way. Then somewhere we will get the solution. If you are satisfied with a single solution, you can stop. Otherwise, you can think of going for other solutions. But almost we have done completely exhaustive tree construction for this. Thank you.